Okay, so this is how to use autopsy to acquire digital forensic evidence from a storage media. And we are about to show this using application autopsy, as I've already said. So we'll first start by showing our removable media. We'll go to this PC, and this is the pen drive we are about to use. Let's see, there are some files on it. And we would like to format this pen drive. And after we format it, we recover the files again here using autopsy. So first we format it. Start. Okay. So the format is complete, and we are about to launch our autopsy to recover these files or other deleted files. And let's check whether the pen drive is empty now. So we'll go to this PC again to see the pen drive is empty. USB drive D is empty. So we are going to our autopsy. And before we open our autopsy, we have to run it as administrator, else we can't get some of the privileges in the autopsy file. So we'll right click, run as administrator. Then yes, we'll wait for the application to open. And after the application opens, we can do a whole lot of stuffs with the autopsy, recovering deleted files, most of the deleted files. So our autopsy is on, and we are about to do some stuffs with it. So before we start, we are going to create a new case. So we'll enter the case name, the name of the case. So let's say this is our project, Cyber Project 1. Project 1. And where do we want to save the stuffs? We are saving it on this directory, the F drive. So this PC, personal stuff. So this is where I'm going to save this project. Select, and you go to next. The case number, it depends on us. Any number we want. Maybe this is the first case we are doing, so we are doing 001. And group, the name of the group is Patrick and Samuel. Patrick and Samuel. So telephone number, we've provided it, email, and finish. So it will create case database, the database that the case will be stored on. And after that, we can get the access to the application, the main user interface of the application. And before that, we have to specify some paths. What drive are we recovering the files from? So we are waiting for that to happen, so that we choose where we are recovering the data from. Yes, it's taking some time for it to load, and after we are good to go. So we are generating new host name. So next, we are choosing local disk instead of logical files or unallocated local disk. So we'll go and select the disk. So all the disks are showing. That's the hard disk. We have the hard disk here, the SSD. The SSD is in, and the pen drive. This is the pen drive that I formatted. USB drive D. We can go and check it, the name again, to confirm and to be sure that this is the pen drive we are using. USB drive D. So that's the one we are going to use. USB drive D. So after we've just selected the USB drive D, we are using the time zone, American time zone, and we'll click on next, and we'll check all of these things. We'll check all of them. What are we going to run the ingest models on? Yeah, hash lookup, extension, mismatch, keyword search. We'll go to next. So it will take some time to process the data, all the data on the local database. So after it's done, then we will get access to the interface, the autopsy interface, the main interface, where we can do stuffs like recovering data, deleted files, and the others. And I think from that side, my brother Patrick will take it from there on how to recover the files. So as we wait for the database to load.
It might take a while.
Yes.
So you have to pause that please so that when it finishes, then we will continue from that.
Oh yes. Okay, so the files has been extracted, and we'll press on finish, and you see the Android analyzer analyzing for all the files on the D side. So let's just confirm that everything is on point. Everything is on point. So this is the files, and as we can all see, it's loading. It's not done. It's not downloading. And this one too, we'll pause it for some time for it to finish loading. And after that, we'll be back again to continue with the video. Okay, so now the files are recovering. As you can see down here, data source integrity for D. So 52%, 53%. It will load to 100%, and after it's done, we can recover all types of deleted files, which I initially said my brother Patrick will take us to. We will recover, we can be able to recover images, videos, applications, and other stuffs by going to file types and other areas. So it's 82%, and we are waiting for it to finish 100%, and it will take over from the file types area. So
97. Okay. So it's done now. We move to, before you recover, you move to file types. By extension, then OP. And these are the images it's recovered. Images 89, videos 2, audios 4,
archives, PDFs, and everything.
So we just open the
images
because we deleted the images previously on the pen drive. So before we can recover it, we have to
look for it. We will open it one by one and see whatever we open to, it will show down here.
Yeah. For example, if like we open
maybe go to the top end.
This one. Maybe this.
Yes, it's shown down here. So we are going to look for the one we deleted. So let's go to the top. The first one, maybe it might be at the top, or
we're still looking for it.
Okay, so this is one of the images we deleted.
The other one is this.
Yes.
So before you can recover it, you have to right click it. Then remove extract files. Then you show where you want to
save it. Okay, so
into the pen drive.
We are saving it to the pen drive.
Now.
Okay. Then save.
So to prove that, you have to go back to the pen drive so that you're able to see that if it has come out.
Okay. So
here is it.
Yes. So the image is here. The image we extracted.
It's very simple.
It's very simple to do. So basically, this is how we use Autopsy to recover deleted files from USB pen drive, and we've done that for images, and as we can see, there are also some videos over here. And if we would like to with the videos aspect too, we can recover videos too. Let's try and recover this video and see extract files. We are recovering it to the pen drive. So since we are in that directory, USB drive D, let's save it and go and check. Try and open the video and see whether it can work and what video was it, because initially we had no video on the pen drive. So what kind of video was it? Was on. So as we can got a story song and it's working perfectly. So this is basically how to recover all files using Autopsy. And thank you for watching and thank you for listening.